Hello everyone. Everything I'm going to share in this video comes from trusted mechanics here in the shop, so relax. This can be fixed. You're driving your Kia and suddenly the dashboard shows check forward safety system. The first thought is usually, oh no, my car is broken. But don't worry, most of the time, it's not serious. The car is just letting you know that the front safety system isn't functioning properly, and for safety, it temporarily disables itself. The most common cause, according to the mechanics here, is that the front camera or radar is dirty or blocked. It could be mud, dust, snow, rain, or even strange reflections interfering with the signal. When this happens, the system can't see vehicles ahead and triggers the warning. Many owners simply cleaned the windshield and radar area, restarted the car, and the message disappeared like magic. If cleaning doesn't fix it, the next likely cause is misaligned sensors or cameras or a loose connection. These systems are very sensitive. A bump, strong vibration, or a loose wire can confuse the system, causing the warning to stay on even if everything looks fine physically. Recalibrating or checking the wiring usually restores normal function. Electrical or voltage issues can also cause this. Some mechanics report that the warning appears when starting the car but goes away after a few minutes of driving. This can happen if the battery is low or there are momentary voltage spikes, which temporarily confuse the system. Finally, if cleaning, checking wiring, and restarting don't remove the warning, the safest move is to take the car to a shop with a specialized scanner. They can diagnose whether the front sensor or camera needs recalibration or replacement. This also prevents other assistance systems, like adaptive cruise or lane keeping assist, from being affected.